This is 1146 Redan Way, for sale by owner. 1146 Redan Way, Stone Mountain, Georgia. 3 bedrooms, possible 4 bedrooms, 2 and 1/2 baths. It's ready for sale by owner. It's a nice home in a good area. It's a 3-level house. Main level, upstairs, 3 bedrooms. Downstairs it has a family room and a half bath and another room, possibly bedroom. Needs some renovation, not renovation, but updates. Clean up, updates, paint it. This will be a good property for someone to fix up, rent, or sell. It should sell fast in the market once it's completely updated and renovated. Nice home, low ceilings. It's a kitchen, family room with a fireplace. Nice kitchen cabinets. Stainless steel refrigerator. Place for a stainless steel oven. Stainless steel This is the laundry room. Sliding glass door, go to the backyard. We're approaching the upstairs with 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths. 1 full bath with a shower and a tub. There's a bedroom here. Amount of work. This bedroom just needs the doors rehung, cleaned up, painted. No holes in the walls. This bedroom, same thing, just need painting, cleaned up, painted and cleaned up. Here's 1 full bath with a shower. It's the 3rd bedroom. Just need cleaned up, painted as well. That door need to be rehung on the closet. It's hardwood floors. All the bedrooms upstairs have the hardwood plank floors. And going back downstairs, main level. Then we go downstairs with the bonus room, closet, another sitting area, and a half bath. It's a storage closet area. It's a bonus room that could be used as a bedroom. Big room. There's another sitting area over here. Sliding glass door. It's minor work, woodwork down here. Door frame need to be rehung. Now we're gonna go outside, go around the house, side of the house and the back of the house. We walk this way. Single carport with 2-car parking pad. There's an additional parking pad here next to the shed. Additional parking pad. The house has a fenced-in backyard, completely fenced in. I forgot to mention the house does have a wood-burning fireplace. Here's the storage shed, sliding glass door, big backyard. This is a storage shed. Nice size storage shed. Again, a big fenced-in backyard. Of course, the leaves need to be raked. Barbecue pit. Patio in the back, sliding glass door. The family room and a sliding glass door in the basement area. As you can see, it's a big backyard. Completely fenced in. Good investment property. The house is full-sided brick. Nice level front yard. (1146) Redan Way. The house is for sale. It's ready to be sold to an investor or a homeowner that want to fix it up and live in it. It's ready to go, ready to sell. My name is John. Call me J.R. 770-994-4774. Thank you.